Back to the Freebird.
Freebird.
Top to bottom. My pedal broke. That's what happens when you land in the flats. Fucking broke too. Yeah, I'm done. He fucking snapped.
What did it do? Snap right off?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it did. Where is it? Oh, there's someone coming. Oh yeah, busted the whole fucking thing right out of it. Wow, clean snap. Well, it looks like it's been cracked before, Will.
Right of its reds?
Look at it, see how it's like half of it's real smooth and then half of it looks sparkly? Mm-hmm. She's been cracked for a while.
Oh, yeah.
Are they old?
Yeah. Got those.
Came with the bike.
Came with the bike.
Couple of years.
JB welded.
Okay, weld it. And probably put it on there and at least I have some footing.
Oh, I was gonna say I'd push right back up to the top and get on the chairlift.
And not just push here and fucking ride down the hill. Jeez, you're talking to the guy who rides down the hill with a flat tire on his rim. Come on now. Fucking ride the chairlift. Ain't no pussy.
Ain't no bitch.
Ain't no bitch. Oh, fucking chairlift. I'll fucking tape my foot to the goddamn crank.
Do
You
it.
should.
You got some tape on you?
No. Give me a shoe. Give me your shoelace.
That's a hell of a clip on the thing. Next thing.
I can't go anywhere. It fell off already as soon as I tried to pedal. Fuck me. I guess I could put it in my back pocket. Hitting jump still. They said, oh, you ride the chairlift back down the hill. You can't ride with 1 foot. Hitting jumps just fine. Oh, fuck.
Sam Cannon. You notice they put a little black pipe in with it?
I see the drain up at the top.
You hit all them jumps.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think I'm fucking scared?
Are you just standing?
Hit the cannon then, Tuffy.
I'll fucking hit the cannon, you pussies. It's gonna hurt,
Right.
but I'll
Right,
hit
said
it. It's gonna hurt, but I'll hit it. I ain't scared. What's up now, bitches? Tell me I can't hit the cannon. Listen to them. You can't hit anything when you have no pedal. Sure you can. Gotta make sure your heel's locked in. Wah! It wouldn't be bad if my foot wasn't on a bearing right now, so it's like rolling on the arch of my foot. Something's wrong with my gearing too. 6 and 7 not shifting right, so I did have a lot of mud caked in. Well, that was something new. Kind of reminds me of riding my mopeds back in the day. We had some 1969 Honda mopeds and the peg was broke, so I had lots of riding on a peg.